Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chuaahh. So today I'll be reviewing the March Boxycharm this month. I know I'm usually late on this video every month. I usually do it towards the end, which is not my fault because I get it like towards the middle of the month, this box, and yeah, and I usually don't have time till towards the end to film something, which I need to go fix my schedule, and yeah, because I'm so disorganized with trying to film and all that because of work. And anyways, of course you pay $21 a month for this box and you get 5 full-size products. And of course the packaging is pretty good because they have the foam right here, foam whatever this is, to keep all your stuff nice and safe. Anyways, and here's all the 5 stuff, and then you get your card with all the stuff in it with the regular pricing and all that, and then you get of course a coupon most of the time in the box. Anyways, if y'all want to see what I got in this month's box, just keep on watching. So this month's theme for this box is vacation, and this card is actually pretty cute. I like the color scheme on this. Anyways, so the first thing in this box I'm going to show y'all is the Pure Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. It's retail price of $36. Let me actually go grab that real quick. Let me take the bubble wrap off. I like the bubble wrap. It's so tiny too. I'm gonna save this actually for some makeup looks, so we're gonna put that on the ground. Anyways, here is the eyeshadow palette. It's all white. I'm probably gonna get this super dirty when I use it. And these are all the colors. That's just they're all on the ground. So these are all the colors. These are actually pretty. They have some matte, shimmers, and metallic foil colors. Let's read the card. Its retail price, of course, I said is $36. It says this transitional palette can be used now or later to bring vibrancy back into your look. Our signature silky smooth ultra mattes are paired with pretty pinks and a vibrant blue to lighten the mood. Plus you can layer the shimmer shades for a duochrome finish. So I really do like these shades, so I'm actually going to swatch a few of these. I'm not going to swatch everything. I really want to swatch this Mia color. It's this pretty blue color. It feels, when I'm like rubbing on it, it feels really buttery actually. So I'm going to swatch this blue Mia color. So I'm just going to do it in the back of my palm, back of my hand. It swatched pretty good. And this is like more of this one of those shimmery colors. And then I want to try this pink color next, BFF. So trying this one next. I'm gonna swatch right next to it. Hopefully this is pigmented. The color's okay. It's a little sheer. Let's try. And that's like one of the matte colors. So that pink is a matte. We're gonna try we're actually gonna try our Charmer and Alliance. So I actually want to try these two. These are good. So we're gonna try out Charmer first, the lighter color. This one right here. I just messed up that swatch. Let's redo that swatch. This is like one of the metallic foils. That's actually really pretty, but it's kind of, if you see, it's kind of chalky. Let's try the next one. Let's try Alliance, that gold color right next to it. That one feels buttery when I'm like putting it on my finger, and that one actually came out pretty. That's kind of chalky too. If you see the beginning right here, kind of chalky. So that's all I'm gonna actually swatch from that. I usually have these shades right here in the top palette, most palettes. Top row. Anyways, yeah, I usually use these colors all the time in other palettes, so I'm not going to swatch those, so let's get on to the next thing. So the second thing in this box is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Its retail price is $20. So here it is, this mascara. This box is actually huge. It's pretty, let's see if the tube's big. Hopefully it's big. It says double decker. I can get it out this, there's another flap right in it. Look inside this packaging. That's actually really cute. Okay, this is actually big ass mascara. I'm not gonna use other words because, yeah. Anyways, so this is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. So I'm just gonna see how the brush is. So it's not one of those plastic ones. It's pretty big. I kind of like how this brush is. It looks like it'll give you a lot of volume. So let's go read the card. It says, get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. I actually want to try this out without, when I don't have falsies on. So probably try this out tomorrow when I go to work. Well, actually, am I working tomorrow? No, I'm actually off tomorrow. It's Monday. Scratch that. I'm off. We're going to try this when I go bring the car to the shop, actually, because my car's check engine light is still freaking on. Anyways, let's get on to the third thing. The third thing is the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. Its retail price, it's $10, so it's right here. So you get 3 eye gel packs in this. So it says the card says our under eye gels are great for an easy eye mask without the cleanup. They soft fit and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. And on the box it says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Because usually around your eye area is like the driest around your, yeah, it's the driest on your face because it doesn't retain enough moisture, I guess, if I'm explaining it right. Anyways, and then behind right here it gives you directions. And it says thoroughly cleanse eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. So I'm pretty sure you just use it for 3 days and your eyes should look good. I don't know. Let's get to the fourth thing. Fourth thing is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eye Brush set. Its retail price is $23.15. That's a weird price. Anyways, it says this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. This budget brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and define your lash line. So here's the packaging. The packaging is pretty cute. It's pretty girly. It's too girly for me actually, but it's pretty cute. So we're gonna open it. I kind of just ripped it. It's taped. This shit's taped. The fuck? I hate when shit's fucking taped. Anyways, trying to open this awkwardly. There you go. So here are the rebrushes. Of course, they gotta be white. I really like my stuff to be black because you can't see dirty stuff on black stuff. This is gonna get dirty easily. Let's see the feel. Do you see that? Some dust is coming off of that. Anyways, they feel like a synthetic brush. Like it's not too soft. I mean, it's okay. We'll see how it is. Kind of like this brush though. Packed on some color. I don't know. They're not really soft like I like my brushes. Well, we'll try them on whenever I do a smoky eye look with this set. Last but not least, it's the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush, and its retail price is $26, and it says Make Them Blush Powder Blush. That is a handful to say. It's hard for me to say, actually. Powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. The silky smooth format is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will blend in any complexion. I like the packaging. It's pretty cute. And the color I got is, well, if I did drop back and told you the color. The color is Hush Blush. So I'm going to open it up and show y'all the blush. I really like this color of this blush. I usually wear blushes this color. This is so pretty. I'm actually going to try to swatch it. Ooh, I like that. That's actually pretty, if y'all can see that. I actually like this. Okay. So that was all 5 things in this March Boxycharm this month. I have to say, I didn't really like this month's box, honestly. The only thing I kind of liked was the blush and the eyeshadow palette. Other than that, I already have too many mascaras and eye masks and brushes. I wish I could get more makeup, like eyeshadows, more for my eyes and stuff, because I already have too much mascara and all the other shit. Like, I keep getting mascara from Boxycharm, and I'm like, still have all other stuff. Anyways, I really do like the blush and the eyeshadow palette. The blush is so pretty, and I really like the colors in the eyeshadow palette. Normally the colors I usually wear all the time. If y'all want to see my Instagram, I wear lots of pinks, I wear lots of neutrals, bright colors. Yeah, I like that palette. I mean, if I have to go somewhere, I would probably pack that with me. If I have to pack one palette, if I wanted some pop of color maybe. If I wanted to pack light, it's like one of my big palettes, like my Morphe ones, because those are a little too big to pack with me. Anyways, I feel like I'm not doing like all the time. But anyways, I hope you guys, I don't know what to say. What was your favorite thing in this box this month? What do y'all think about it? Anyways, why am I so weird? Y'all like this wig though? This wig is from Lit Unicorns. If y'all want to get you one, this is the peach something. It's something with the word peach in it. But yeah, I put a description down below. I'll put the link down below for this wig if y'all want to get one. This is one of my favorite ones. I really like this company. I really like her. She's awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and all my other social media. Don't forget to follow me on there, like Instagram, Twitter, even though I don't really use Twitter, which I need to start using it more, but I don't know how to use it. But I post a lot on Instagram. Should be on there. Don't forget to follow me. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop there. Am I done talking? I think I am. Maybe? Yeah, I guess I am. But anyways, hope you guys liked this video. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.